Babehambisana njengomongameli kanye nephini lakhe, kodwa ubudlelwane phakathi kwaloyo ngumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma kanye nomongameli uCyril Ramaphosa kubonakala ngathi abusekho. Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi akalitholanga ithuba lokukhuluma nowayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ngaphambi kokuthi ayoqala isigwebo sakhe seyinyanga eziyi15 ejele.
No, I did not speak to former President Jacob Zuma before he handed himself over. We regarded that as a process that must be handled in the normal course. So there was really no need for that. And in any event, I am able to speak to former President Jacob Zuma anytime and in any way, but the occasion never presented itself then, and it didn't happen.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi angeke azithathe izinyathelo okwamanje kungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Umkhize osamisiwe osolakala ngenkohlakalo. Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi khona ubufakazi asabulindile ngaphambi kokuthi aqondise izigwegwe ungqongqoshe wezempilo osamisiwe.
I've received the SIU report. There's still some finalization of certain aspects which we're going to get. So I'm looking at it and I'm studying it. So allow me the time and the space to look at that.
Sekube namahlebezi ukuthi umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa kungenzeke axoxe ongqongqoshe bezokuphepha abathile abangenzi kahle.
The process of people who are deployed to work with any leader even in a cabinet process situation rather, it's a process that you evaluate, and it's best to leave it there, because
time, Mr. President.
It's best to leave it there, and it's a process that one does as one evaluates everything and everyone that you work with.
Ikusasa likangqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Umkhize alikacaci kahle kanye nongqongqoshe obhekele ezokuphepha uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula. Ngingusamkele Maseko, ngibikela izindaba zeSABC, ngisethembisa.